Hi everyone. I am going to show you how to put a Creative Commons license on your Weebly site. So you can see here I am in creativecommons.org/choose. So you want to go there, read through each of the license features. So if you want to allow adaptations of your work to be shared, you might say no or yes as long as others share alike. Allow commercial uses of your work. I'd say no to that. That means somebody could use your work and make money from it. I would click, in my opinion, I pick this, I pick this. So this is the license that I've chosen, which is attribution non-commercial share alike. If you have a web page, then it says here is your code. So you're going to go ahead and copy that code. I chose the normal icon. If you want the compact icon, you can see it's just smaller. Either one is fine. Then you're going to go over to your Weebly site. You can see I have it already at the bottom of mine right here, but I'll show you how to put it into yours. So when you are in pages, no, shoot, settings, and then you go to this SEO and you have a footer code. You just paste what you put in here and click save down at the bottom and then publish. And yours, I would go to your Weebly site and just double check that it's there and you're all set. See you soon.